Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this fresh arrival 1969 gold Malibu, numbers matching V8 with a 350 trans, 10-bolt rear end sitting on the Rally 15-inch wheels. All original body panels on this thing. We're going to go through this thing so you know exactly what you're getting. I mean, it just stands beautifully. All original panels make it just amazing. They're harder and harder to come by. Look at how straight this is. Look at that stance. All the way throughout. Bench seat car, air-conditioned car, power steering, Wilwood brakes. This thing is a great driver quality car. I would take this thing on a road trip across the country. That's how reliable this one is. Air conditioning, power brakes, power steering. All the hoses and belts look good inside. Air conditioning working. Fresh battery, AC Delco. No overheating problems. Sound insulation done on the underneath. It's a real nice example. This is the way they should gap. Just like that. They don't get any straighter than this. All your lights in front are working, turn signals. All your chrome is good. All your badging and grilling is good. Front fender's in great shape and gaps up great to the door. There's your Wilwood brakes inside there. Tires are in good shape. Good SS wheels all the way around. On the bottom, nice. Gaps to the quarter is phenomenal. All your glass around the whole entire car is in good shape. No stories on any of that. All the chrome around there is good too. Rear chrome bumper's in great shape. It's got a couple little stuff in it, but it could be cleaned up nicely. Oh, it's just dirt. Let me pop this trunk. See how nice this lines up? Just the way it should. Spare tire and jack intact. Original trunk lid. All your weather stripping's good. Check this out. It means it's original. Check this out. There you go. Same. Trunk's exactly the way it should. Weather stripping's good. It's fine. Down the road, 4 or 5 years from now, you may want to look at it. That's it. Nothing major. Nice. Bam! That's what's underneath the skirt. I'm going to take some photos of the underneath. They'll be on our website, MGM Classic Cars. This rear quarter's fine with no stories. Roof line is good. Gaps the way it should. Original quarters. It's an original car. It's been painted a ways back, but the paint's in great shape. You can just see the way it reflects off everything. Fender's in good shape. Your rear deck lid's fine. All your seat belts intact. Sun visors are intact, and it's all tight up on top, folks. Front seat the same. Good stuff. Original door. Look at the gap. See that? That's what you want. That's good stuff. Let's see what one pump jump does. One. Right off. horn works. All right, you ready? 64,308 miles are on this puppy, to be believed. And this thing just runs, just a pleasure. Drive this all the way to California. Brakes great. Steering is good and smooth. No funky noises. What a pleasure. What a pleasure. This is a true cruiser. Goes through the gears great. Look at that straight stop. Let's see if there's any funky noises. Nope. Hallelujah. What a great driving car, folks. Really nice Malibu here, 69. If you need to get some financing on this one and you're anywhere from a 640 score to a 739, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, fill out the stuff online. Minimum down 10% will go up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Again, up to 84 months, sometimes no money down. Usually approval within 24 hours. We've got over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our descriptions, pricing, video, and pictures are online. If you need quotes on shipping, because we ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, please call me or text me if you have a question on the car or quotes on shipping. It's 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're here Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. You could text me at 773-600-0919 and I'll get you in for an appointment so you can spend some time with your car and look at some of our other stuff. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending some time with me on this 1969 Malibu. It is a really, really nice car. No disappointments. Thanks, folks.